Tiana's Creations. Thank you for joining today. To all of the subscribers, thank you for following me and being a loyal to my channel. And to the ones who has not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe below. And don't forget to watch my videos once a week. I will be uploading them, guys. So stay tuned as I show you my latest demo on how I slick and lay my edges. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this down, guys. This is just an old twist out. So we're going to use my Passion Curls Jelly Pudding to pretty much just put my hair up into a bun. So I'm just going to pretty much pull it up. And all I'm going to do is just pull that hair through there just like that. That's all it takes. And you form your little bun. And I like my bun nice and full. Okay, and I'm going to take my second scrunchie and I'm going to put that around it to secure it. That I was telling you about. And what we're going to do, so we're going to start on this side because this is my right side. I do that on my right side. I'm going to pull out some hair like right here too. We're going to take our wax and slick it down. We're going to start off just slicking the product on there. And take your comb and just, and we just going to see how we swirling it. Like that. Be careful not to like touch the other one you just did, because it does tend to want to separate. So, because this is my fake baby hairs. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I don't have real baby hairs, so I have to play with it. Apply some more wax right there. I am almost done. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to apply a holding spray, and then I'm going to use the next strip, and I'm going to be pretty much done. And like I said, I got to kind of like play with it a little more until I get it like a way I want it. Take a little bit of that wax and just add more product to make it lay. There we go. And that is it. And then I'm just going to kind of pull this out a little more. I'm gonna take the wax and just kind of like clean it up a little more. I'm gonna take our little comb and comb it up and smooth it up a little. I'm gonna take a little wax and just apply it to the neck. Our next strip and apply it, and this is going to set for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so this will complete my hair tutorial on how I slick and lay my edges. So if you would like to order this wonderful product, click the link below and you can check out the website and learn more about this product. And I will say it's very amazing. It did lay my edges down. It's a wax, however, so you will have to apply a holding spray depending on your hair type. So that's what I did. I left the mixture on for 5 minutes, and this is the result that I got. And I am very pleased. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.